Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we're diving into something that looks like it rolled straight out of the future. A massive, ultra-luxury motorhome that blends the presence of a high-end coach with the attitude of a premium SUV. This machine is designed to make you forget you even have a house, because honestly, this might be nicer. Right away, the exterior hits you with a bold, super clean white finish that makes the whole vehicle look like a luxury yacht on wheels. The front end carries an aggressive, sporty design with sharp LED headlights, a wide aerodynamic bumper, and that signature chrome grille that gives it a real premium road commanding presence. The windshield is huge, almost like a cockpit, offering a panoramic view for whoever is lucky enough to drive this beast. Moving along the side, the long, sleek body lines make it feel more like a private mobile suite than a regular RV. You get massive alloy wheels, low profile, performance-styled rims that look like they belong on a luxury super sub, not something this big. The side skirts are smooth, the paneling is tight, and every vent, every curve, every trim piece feels like it was sculpted rather than assembled. Up top, you have dome-style skylights that give away what's waiting inside, a bright, open living space with natural light pouring in. Stepping inside, the interior is where this motorhome really flexes its muscle. You're greeted with a living area that feels like a high-end penthouse. Soft ambient lighting, premium leather seating, polished surfaces, and carefully crafted storage spaces make the entire cabin feel rich and calming. The floors shine with a luxury finish, and the lounge area gives you wraparound seating that's perfect for long trips or just relaxing like you're in a hotel suite. Large windows bring in plenty of light, adding to the open, airy vibe. Moving toward the middle section, you get a full kitchen setup, high-end appliances, a sleek countertop, and cabinetry that's as stylish as anything you'd see in a modern home. Everything feels well integrated and thought out, not like typical RV kitchens that sacrifice aesthetics for function. Here, you get both. The bedroom suite is another level. With those curved skylights above, you get natural lighting during the day and a serene view of the night sky after dark. Premium fabrics, a full-size bed, built-in closets, and luxury touches everywhere make it easy to forget you're even inside a vehicle. Many setups like this also include a full bathroom with premium fixtures, and judging by the design, this model likely follows the same high-end approach. Performance-wise, a rig like this usually comes powered by a high-torque diesel engine capable of pushing all this weight with surprising smoothness. While it's not built for speed, it's built for stability, long-distance comfort, and that effortless cruising feeling. The suspension is designed to reduce cabin shake, and the steering system usually gives drivers more confidence than you'd expect from something so large. On highways, this type of motorhome glides, quiet, stable, and incredibly refined. Now let's talk pricing. A luxury unit of this level doesn't come cheap. Depending on configuration, features, customization, and market, vehicles in this category typically start well into the high six figures and can easily push into the million-plus range. You're not just buying transportation, you're buying a mobile luxury lifestyle. So that wraps up today's deep dive into one of the most premium motorhomes you'll ever see. If you love machines that mix comfort, engineering, and pure presence, this one definitely belongs on your dream list.